Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Realme Note 60. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme Note 60 and you are wondering how to change a language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme Note 60 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something says system. After click over system, you need to click here language and region. From here, if you decide to add new language, you can click here system language and you need to click here add language, and there will be a bunch of preloaded language by Realme. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this one, so when you choose, it's going to be appear here. If you decide to set this language in your default language, you can easily hold it and bring in the number 1, and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this language in your default language? So we're going to click here change, and now this language is going to appear default language, which is really quite interesting. This is actually, even myself, I don't know what is the language, or even I can't read it. You also might be having the same issue and you're looking for how to change it to English. So I will share you some trick to how to change your phone current language to English. So in order to do that, we'll use some trick, use some icons, logo, something. Then we can go jump over in the settings section. Anyway, first of all, you need to find out the gear icon. If you have gear icon in the home screen, that's great. If it is not, you can go all up section and then find out the gear icon. So this is the gear icon, which is English called setting icon. So I'm going to open it, and then it's going to appear just like this. And then you need to scroll all the way down, and this is the icon which is called system icon. So you have to jump over in this system icon. After that is, so from here you need to choose the second one. So I'm going to click here the second one, and then it's going to appear like this. You have to choose the first one. After click the first one, it's going to appear. If it is English is here, it's great. If it is not, you can click this plus icon and select the English language you want. So I'm going to choose English, and I'm going to choose English Australia, and then it's going to be add here. And if you decide to set the default language, you can just simply hold it and bring over there, and it's going to appear. You can make it here change, and that's going to be set your phone from some unknown language to English. So in this simple way, you can easily change language in your Realme Note 60. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.